Good evening, everyone. Today we're gonna discuss about the basics of clinical trials management. Clinical trial management refer to the structure or organized regulatory approach that managers take in clinical trial project to produce timely and efficient project outcome. It includes developing and maintaining the specified or general software system procedure and training and protocols. What is clinical trial management system, also known as CTMS? A clinical trial management system is a type of project management software specific to clinical research and clinical data management. It allows for a centralized planning, reporting and tracking of all aspects of clinical trials with the end goal of the ensuring uh, end goal of ensuring that the trial are efficient, compliant and successful across one of the institute. Companies use CTS for their clinical management in order to build the regulatory trust is earned as the companies collect compliant and successful whether across one or several institutes. Companies use CTMS for their clinical data management to ensure they build trust with the regulatory agencies. Clinical data management is a critical phase in clinical research which lead to the generation of high quality, reliable and statistical sound data from a clinical trial. This helps to produce a drastic reduction in time from drug development to marketing. Team members of CDM are actively involved in all stages of clinical trials right from the inception of completion. They should have adequate process knowledge that help maintain quality standard of CDM processes. Various procedures in CDM including case report form, designing CRF annotations, database designing, data entry, data validation, discrepancy management, medical coding, data extraction, and data base locking are assessed for the quality regular intervals during the trial. In a present scenario, there is a increased demand to improve the CDM standards to meet the regulatory requirement and stay ahead of the competition by mean of faster commercialization of product with the implementation of regulatory compliant data management tools. Clinical trials is attended to find answer to the research question by means of the generating data for providing a disproving a hypothesis. A quality of data generated play as a role in outcome of the study. Often research students ask the question, what is clinical data management? What is significance? Clinical data management is a relevant and important part of clinical trials. All researchers try their hand on CDM activities during during their research work, knowingly or unknowingly. Without identifying the technical phases, we undertake some of processes involved in CDM during the research work. CDM is the process of collection, cleaning, and management of substance data in a compliance with regulatory standard. Akin to other areas in clinical research, CDM has a guideline and standard that must be followed. Since the pharmaceutical industry relies on electronical capture data for the evaluation of medicines, there is a need of following good practices in CDM to maintain the standard in electronic data capture. This electronic record have to comply with a code of federal regulations, also called as CFR 21 CFR Part 11. This regulation is applicable to record in electronic format that are created, modified and maintained. Adequate procedure and control should be put in place to ensure the integrity, authenticity, and confidentiality of data. If data have to be submitted to regulatory authorities, it should be entered and processed in 21 FCR. Thank you.